how to use the new Messenger Notes feature. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android, and then type Messenger. So you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Messenger application, or this application is up to date. If not, click Update. Okay, wait as it is processing. Once done, click Open, and here you can see your messenger and the conversation of your friends. And of course, you can also see here the notes from your friends up here. And then you can see here your note and the plus icon. If you want to share a thought, you just have to tap New Note and then kindly share whatever you're doing right now, you're thinking right now. So that serves as New Note. So take note that you are only given 60 characters here or words here. So you cannot type more than that. Okay, once done, then it is now added to your note. If you tap that, you can leave a new note if you want, or you can delete note. So if you want to leave a new note, you just have to tap this one and then share a new thought again, and then click share. Now, if you want to delete, tap it again and click delete note. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.